So hey, good day. You and I are going to travel back in time a little bit. It is now April of 2018, and we're going to go back to the end of November because I started to edit a video and then I kind of lost some steam and then life got in the way and whole other story. But you and I are going to go back in time and we're going to unbox and Inspire 2 sUAS, or drone for normal colloquialisms. So let's go. Ah, that didn't work. That hand over the lens thing always works for everyone else, and I see it everywhere now on YouTube. So let's just do a dip to black, and then we'll get back into the unboxing of the Inspire 2. See you there. Hi everybody, welcome back. We're at my garage again, and I'm a little remiss because I haven't posted up any videos in a long time. I've made some videos, but they haven't turned out exactly the way I thought they should, so I haven't released them to the public, and I do apologize for that. There will be some things coming down the pipeline, some things I want to share with you all, but from here, I've got kind of a timeline behind me. Back in 2006 is when I built my first drone, and it's now been, the end of 2017. It's been 11 years since I've been in the drone industry. And I started off shooting photo and video from manned helicopters, and then I went and I put cameras underneath radio-controlled helicopters, and then behind me here is one of my octocopters that's now about 8 years old. And also in the black box behind me is an Inspire 1 with all of its spare batteries, a little Mavic on the top, and something new just came by a day early from Santa Claus dressed in brown. They brought me the Inspire 2, and I was way too excited for this. So I had to share and say, I'm gonna get to this and unbox it. And I'll probably do that after I change some clothes because I just got back from the gym and found this on my doorstep. See you in a bit.
A few moments later.
So in my previous video where I unboxed the Inspire 1, there somewhere, I did it using what's called a jump cut. So in this one, I'm going to unbox it right before your eyes as quickly as possible. In that one is probably the Crystal Sky monitor, but in this one is the Inspire 2. So let's get to unboxing this really fast. Okay, so now the Inspire 2 is unboxed, and we're going to get to the guts of this after I read the quick start manual. So RTFM, and I'll see you guys shortly. There's a bird.